Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be doing a slime switch up challenge by myself because my mum, she's on she's a bit sick, but she doesn't want to be on camera today. She might want to be on the camera in the future, but she's gonna put the bad slimes and the good slimes underneath the bowls. So yeah, let's start. So the milk is gonna come out and put them under the bowl. So guys, I've got the bowls and this is my bowl here. And I'm allowed to, this is my bowl, and then I'm allowed to switch it if I want to, but I don't want to. Let's have a look. I will show you. If I got the bad slime, I would show you the good slime, and if I got the good slime, I'll show you the bad slime and this. So if I got the good slime, I'll show you the good and the bad, and then if I got the bad slime, I'll show you the bad and the good. So yeah, let's go. Let's open this one. I'll push this one off to this side. Yay! I got the good slime. Okay. So I'm just saying this for the bad slime. This is the bad slime. And it uses the residue. This is black and then I'm not even putting out. I was gonna say that slime out, but I just didn't for some reason. And I was like, okay, we'll keep it. I'm just using weird stuff lately. Probably I'm acting weird. But I think I am okay. Slime petal if you want it. I don't find the exact same colored one. But for my guinea pigs, this is definitely my channel. Just because my son this towel is always on my craft desk, and the guinea pigs thing is in their cupboard, and I always check. Okay. So that's the bad time. I'm not trying a lot. And then here's this good slime, which is a cloud slime. It doesn't drizzle, but it's still a cloud slime. To the left, to the right, up the front, to the left. Stop it. So guys, I forgot to mention, but I already have 2 bad slimes, so I'm just gonna take it in turns with the bad slime. So I'm just gonna take it in turns because I didn't have a lot of bad slimes, so I have 2 bad slimes. Obviously, I don't have a lot. Okay. Yeah, mine's really my brain. To this day, it's finished. I'm asking for a camera for Christmas Day, so I can do like vlogs, like videos like on the camera. It's better quality. There's the first round. Okay, so then let me just come in and I'm gonna say options. I'm gonna keep mine. Yes! And I'm good. And look, so I want to go to what I want to see. I pull it. Squeeze it. It just goes up there. Doing 2 more rounds. I feel like this. So that one's a cloud slide. This one's a butterfly. We're all in the same container because my sister, she had like clay and it all dried out because she left the container there and I said don't leave it out because it'll dry up. And then it dried up. So I said, Millie. Why did I say Millie? That wasn't Millie, that was Anya. I said, Anya, can I bring them in? Can I please have the container? And she gave me to me, and now they have my clay stickers on them. But I promise they're not like clay. Because my heart, I just like stick a cupcake in my eye. I'm not like clay. Well, if Leo was to mess that up, that's our thing. Well, it's not our thing, but that's what we do to like promise, like between us two. That's the time. Either has to be if there's a bee, just going to move because the more you move, the more you give it attention. And then you can like the moves like swipe it and then it goes away to your next door neighbours. Bye, little flop bit. Man. Okay. Let's just carry on with the video. Okay. I'm going to blue and the black and that's the red. So now it's going to be the red one and the black one. Mom! Are you done? Yeah. Okay. Oh, it was recording still. Hi guys. So that's it. A little bit. Now let's I just like this one. It's my lucky bowl. Yay! I'm not showing you the bad one because you see that one. Like this one. Yeah. So this one is I made it with corn starch. I'm paralyzed. I've won. If I win the next round, I've won and we draw out. And the next round. Now, so we've got this purple slime and this yellow slime. I'll close my eyes. Okay, you done? Okay. I'm doing the same one again. This is my lucky bowl. My mom back into there. I've won all the rounds. This is my favourite one of all time. It's so thick and nice. It's spreadable. Yeah, my favourite one. I need to get ready for the day now. Well, I'm already ready. Like, I have to leave the house. So, yeah. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Love you all. See you soon. Bye.